Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add an indicator right here in TC2000. And if you want to do this, it's seriously quite simple, but you need to know where to search. So first of all, we search here for a stock that we want to trade on. So let's look, Nebius is fine. Then we have Nebius right here. And then let's say we want to add an indicator right here to the chart. Then what we're going to do is we select right here the plus icon. And then you will find right here a lot of indicators. It's a massive list right here. And then let's do, for example, do they have an RSI? Yes, they have it. So we click right here on RSI. And now you will find right here the RSI for, let's see, what is it? Nebius group on the chart. And now we can use the indicator right here. So this is how you can add an indicator right here in TC2000. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.